them in a proper way, it can happen that their lives will be changed. Are you getting? In a developing mode, or it might improve the life of others. So real education is for improving the lives of other, not only the bookish knowledge that we learn and we finish the things. No, real education is to live for others. Understood? Is that clear, boys?
Yes.
Yes.
Chalo, exercise 3.1, question number 5 we did yesterday. If you do remember, this question we did yesterday. Can you see here this question? We did this yesterday. Last question. Question number 5. Now we are in question number 6. Fairbooks માં કર્યા છે ને બધા questions? Hello.
Yes, sir.
I hope so that you all are following me and doing the work regularly.
Yes, sir.
Question number 6. Chalo, who is going to read? Who wants to read question number 6? કોણ છે મેસેજ કરે છે?
Shall I, sir?
Yes, Kazim Raza.
Question number 6. The marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81, and 75. Find the highest and the lowest marks obtained by the students. Find the range of marks obtained. Find the mean marks obtained by the group.
Have you understood what is the question? What does it mean? It means that out of 100 marks, there are group of people, group of students, a science test is there, and there are how many students? See, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, and 110. There are 10 number of students whose science marks are there out of 100. Now we have to follow this question. These 3 questions to be followed. So highest and the lowest marks obtained by a student, that is the first question. Range of the marks obtained by the students, that is highest minus lowest. You will get range. Okay. Now mean marks obtained by the group of students. That means sum of all the observation upon number of observation. Are you getting? સમજાય છે કે નહીં? કોઈ નવી વસ્તુ નથી. We did this up to question number 5. The same thing we have to do. Is that clear? Now first step is to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Boys.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Arrange this in ascending order. So after arranging this in ascending order, we get 35 up to 95. So smallest smallest term is 39, which is lowest term, and the highest term is 95. So can I get the first answer cleared? Highest marks is 95 and the lowest marks is 39. First answer is clear. Second is what? Range. Range will be highest minus lowest. That means highest marks, range is equal to H minus L. Highest minus lowest. 95 minus 39. We will get 56 as our answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, the third question is mean marks obtained by the group. Mean marks obtained by the group means We have to find the average. 85, 76, 90. It goes on and we place all the marks to be added upon how many number of students are there? 10. Are you clear? So this total will be 730. How much it will be the total? 730. And 10 observations are there total. So 10. 0, 0 got cancelled. So what is the exact mean marks of the given data? 73. Any doubt with this, boys?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
Come on. Now, next question. Question number 7, the same question. બધા question same જ છે. The enrollment of the school. So, enrollment in the school during 6 consecutive years, 6 વર્ષના, okay, was as follows. 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540, 2820. Find the mean enrollment. Means we have to find the mean for all 6 years. So sum of all the observation upon number of observations are 6 years. Understood? So 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540, 2820 upon 6. They will get 12,348 upon 6. You will get 2058 as our answer. Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Okay, great. So question number 8. The rainfall in millimeter. The rainfall in millimeter in a city of 7 days, okay, of a certain week was recorded as follows. આમાં ડેટા કેમાં આપેલો છે? ટેબલ ફોર્મમાં. So એમાં કાંઈ મૂંઝાવાની જરૂર નથી. We don't have to worry for that. રેનફોલ આપેલો છે. કેમાં આપેલો છે? મિલીમીટરમાં. કે કેટલો રેનફોલ પડ્યો છે, right? For how many days it is given? For how many days it is given?
7 days.
7 days. So the table shows that days and rainfall in millimeter. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So I'll take this towards upper side. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay? Saturday and Sunday. These are the 7 days data is given. Monday કેટલા millimeter પડ્યો હતો? 0.0. Tuesday 12.2. Wednesday 2.1 millimeter. Thursday 0.0 again. Friday is 20.5. Then Saturday 5.5. Sunday 1.0. Any doubt with this? Any doubt with this data? What you can
No, sir,
see
no
on
doubt.
your screen? Okay. Now we have to follow this question. We don't have to do anything else. Find the range of rainfall in the above data. So can I say that I will place this in ascending order? First thing, I will place this in ascending order for getting the answer. So placing in ascending order, I will say that 0.0 is the first data. Then again, I'm getting 0.0. Then 1.0. Then 2.1. Then I can say 5.5. Then I can say 12.2. In the last, I can say 20.5. it all clear? સાત દિવસ પતી ગયા જોઈ લ્યો. Have we cleared with 7 days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 data. Got it? Now find the range of the rainfall in the given data. So what is the range of the rainfall? Range is equal to highest minus lowest. Am I correct? So 20.5 is the highest minus 0.0 is lowest. So answer will be 20.5 itself. So what is the range of the given data, boys? What is the range of the given data for the first answer?
20.5.
Now find the mean of rainfall for the week. So mean means the sum of all the observation upon number of observations. So number of observation are how much? 7. This is the data for 7 days. So it will be marked as 7. Understood? સમજાય છે બચ્ચા પાટી? So mean rainfall is 0.0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0.0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1.0 upon 7. So you will get 41.3 upon 7. So if you divide, you will get 5.9 millimeter as your answer. 5.9 millimeter as your answer. Any doubt here? Boys, anybody has any doubt here?
No, sir.
Chalo, the last question, what we have to follow is, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? For how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Mean rainfall was how much? How much we got it, mean rainfall? Can I say the mean rainfall was 5.9? 5.9 millimeter. Am I right or wrong? So we have to find how many days it has the less rainfall than this 5.9 millimeter. Okay. Mean rainfall means 5.9 millimeter. So we have to check here. Can I say that 0.0, 0.0, then 1.0, 2.1, and these are the greater numbers. So these are the 4 numbers which has less number of rainfalls as compared to the mean rainfall. Am I right? So now let us check the date. How many dates do we have here? Can I say 0.0 is less than 5.9? Is less than 5.9? Am I right? Then this is greater than 5.9. Correct? Again, this is less than 5.9. 0.0 again, this is less than 5.9. Am I right? 20.5, this is more than 5.9. This is also, no, this is also less than 5.9. Huh? Sorry, 5.5 is less than 5.9. This will be included over here. Barabar na? And this is again smaller than 5.9. So how many days do we got as the less number of rainfall as per the mean rainfall? Monday, then Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. So Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday are the 5 days you got less number of rainfall as compared to the mean rainfall. On how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? 5 days. Which are those days? 5 days. That is Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. The rainfall was less than the average rainfall. Any doubt with this question, boys?
No, sir.
So the last question of this exercise. Okay. The heights of the 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the results are as follows. Can we see the height of the girls are given? How many number of girls are there? Hassan Kapasi, Muhammad Fazil, Zohair Abbas.
Yes, sir.
How many number of girls are there?
10 girls.
10 girls. And 10 girls નું શું આપેલું છે? Height આપેલી છે. The heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeter. And the results are as follows. Can we see the data given there? 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143, and 141. Are the data confirmed? What I read right now? Now, what we have to do, Muhammad Fazil, we have to follow the above questions. Okay? The first is, what is the height of the tallest girl? That means the highest term will be the highest height. Are you getting? And second is, what is the height of the shortest girl? So the lowest term will be the shortest. I'm so sorry. The lowest term will be the shortest girl. Yes or no? Ha ke na?
No, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
First thing, what we have to do, we have to arrange this data in ascending order. Before we find anything, arrange this given data of 10 girls in ascending order. So, arranging the heights of 10 girls in ascending order, 128 to 151. They have arranged. Now, height of the tallest girl will be the highest height, highest term. So, this 151 centimeter. Height of the shortest girl, જે નાનામાં નાનો નંબર હોય, lowest term, that will be the shortest girl. Now range highest minus lowest, 151 minus 128. We got 23 centimeter. So we have completed 3 questions. First, second, and what is the range of the data? Third question. Okay. Now, fourth one, what is the mean height of girls? Mean height of the girls. That means we have to add all the terms plus upon. We have to get the number of observations. So number of observation, we already have 10 girls. Okay. So number of observations are 10 girls. So we have to find the mean height of the girls. That means mean height is equal to 14 upon 10, which gives us 141.4 centimeter. 141.4 centimeter. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
doubt, sir.
Question number 5. In the same question, the last question is, how many girls have heights more than the mean height? What is the mean height we got? 141.4, right? So this is the mean height. આની કરતા કેટલી હાઈટ, કોની હાઈટ વધારે છે, કેટલી ગર્લ્સની હાઈટ વધારે છે, that is what we have to find. The height of 5 girls are greater. 5 દીકરીની હાઈટ વધારે છે. કેમાંથી ખબર પડે? From here only. 143 થી લઈને 153 સુધી. 141 નહીં આવે અંદર. That 141 will be the lower than 141.4. Are you getting? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the height of girls are greater than the mean height. That is 141.4 centimeter. And these heights are, what are the heights do we have? 143, 146, 149, 150 and 151 centimeter. This one. Understood? Have you
Yes,
all
sir.
understood? Okay, great. Chalo. All right. So with the help of this question, we have completed our exercise 3.1. We are moving to exercise 3.2. Okay? 3.2 question number 1. The scores in mathematics test out of 25. 25 marks માંથી mathematics ની test છે એમાં 25 marks માંથી 15 છોકરા 15 students are as follows. Okay? They have given data for 15 students. Am I correct, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what we have to do in this? If we want to go through with 15 students data, what we have to follow? The score in mathematics test, okay? The scores are given for all 15 students out of 25 is 19, 25, then 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, and 20. Now, what is the exact questions we have to follow? આની પેલાની એક્સરસાઇઝમાં આપણે શું ફાઇન્ડ કર્યું? એકલું mean. Now, what we have to find here? Who will tell me? What we have to find? We have to find the શું લખ્યું છે અહીંયા? નથી રીડ કરતા આવડતું?
Mode.
Mode.
We have to find the mode of the given data. Yes. So what we will do is we will be going through how to find the mode. Who will tell me how to find mode? Hello?
I don't know.
Nonsense. જ્યારે explain કર્યું ત્યારે ક્યાં હતો? Mode means the most repeated number. The most repeated observation from the given data is known as mode. Again, first thing is to arrange the given data in ascending order. Okay? See, answer. Find the mode median. Mode and median. Median means after setting it in the ascending order, the middle observation will be known as median. Mean means average, what we studied in exercise 3.2. Sorry, 3.1. Now mode. Mode means most of the time repeated observation is known as mode. Median means the middle observation is known as median. Now we have to observe, are they both same? બંને સેમ છે કે નહીં એ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે. એ કેવી રીતે ફાઇન્ડ થાય? By getting the answer of mode and median. So now answer is scores of 15 students in mathematics test are. There are the data given in the question. The same thing it is written here. Then arranging the score in ascending order. Our first job is to arrange the given data in ascending order. So 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25. So now mode means the most of the time repeated number is known as mode. So from this given data, what you feel, which number is repeated most of the time?
Is the mode.
20. 20 is the number what is repeated again and again for 4 different times, which is maximum. So mode of the given data is what? Mode is equal to 20. બીજું કાંઈ આ બધું લખવાની જરૂર નથી મોટું મોટું. Mode of the given data is what? 20. After arranging that in the ascending order, we can find mode of the given data is 20. Now we will find the middle observation. Okay. First of all, how many number of students we got? 15. Okay. So
15,
15
yes.
na ardha, 15 na ardha to thai nahi. It will be 7.5. So 14 na ardha thai 7 and 7. So 7 right hand side થી 7 left hand side થી. So વચ્ચેનો number આવે 8 position આવે 8 position. Are you getting? સમજાય છે કે નહીં? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the middle observation? Number 8 position. Middle observation કેટલું આવ્યું? 8th position, right?
8th position, yes.
So median of the given data is also what? સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir, સમજાય છે.
So now, hence the median of the given data is also 20. So therefore, mode of this data is 20, which occurs 4 times, which is maximum, and median also is 20. So can we say that both are same? Median and mode of the given data. So yes, we can say both are same. Any doubt here? મોટું લખવાની જરૂર નથી. What we have to find? We have to find mode. Mode means most of the numbers repeated, the number repeated most number of times is known as mode. Median means the middle observation. Any doubt here, boys? And at last we have to show them, are they both same? If the numbers are same, that means we can write yes, they both are same. And if the number is not same, then we can write no, both the numbers are having different modes, different numbers. Understood? Boys, have you all understood?
Yes.
Chalo, question number 2. The runs scored in cricket match by 11 players is as follows. કેટલા players ની વાત થાય છે ભાઈ?
11 players.
જો જ્યારે મોડ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું હશે ને મોડ, ત્યારે ઓડ નંબર્સ માં તે ઓલું આપેલું હશે. Maximum number of time it will be given as odd numbers only. Okay? Odd observations only. So 11 players ની વાત થાય છે. અને પેલાના ક્વેશ્ચનમાં કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ની વાત થતી હતી? 15. Understood? સમજાય છે? So now these are the runs scored of all 11 players. Now we have to find the mean also, mode also, and median also in this data. Are the 3 same? After getting all 3, we have to check out all 3 are same or not. Understood? So mean to આવડે ને તમને? Mean means what? What do you mean by mean, boys? Muhammad Fazil, Zohair Abbas.
Yes, sir.
How to find mean? આખી એક્સરસાઇઝ કરી 3.1. આખી એક્સરસાઇઝ કરી 3.1. The sum of all the observations, nonsense class, just pay attention. Sum of all the observation upon number of observation. Number of observation are 11. મારી માટે સારું, હું જલ્દી પતાવી દઈશ. ચાલો, કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં. Answer: the runs scored by 11 players are, first of all, the data what is given. Then after that, first step is to arrange the data in ascending order. We have arranged this data in ascending order. Okay? So now mean is what? Mean is adding all the numbers, what is run scored upon number of observations. So 429 upon 11. So mean we got as 39. Okay. Then mode. Mode, we know that most of the times occurring number is known as mode. So
Most
15,
repeated.
15 will be the mode of the given data. So 15 is the mode of given data. Now median. Median means we have to find the middle observation. So if it is given 11, so can I say 5 and 5 are the two break paths? 5 plus 5 will be 10, and the sixth place will be this sixth place, huh? Will be the our answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from left hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand side and right hand side, both the sides 5 digits, and the sixth observation is what? 15. So median of the given data is 15. Mode of the given data is 15. Now, are they all three same? No. Mean is 39 we got. It is not same as 15. So these three are not same. At the end, we can write no, these three are not same. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Question number 3. The weights in kilogram. The weights in kilogram of 15 students of the class are. હજી આપણે કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આપે છે? 15 students. Again, odd numbers only. So weight in kilograms are given. 38, 42, 35, and it goes on up to 38, 47. Are you getting? Now we have to arrange that in ascending order. So after arranging in ascending order, we have to follow this question. Find the mode. Mode means most of the time repeated number. And the median. Median means, again, I can say that the middle observation, right? So first question will be 15 terms. What you can see, which number is repeated most of the number of time?
$38. 43.
43 are, yeah, 3 times, huh? Sorry, 43 also 3 times, yes. So 38 and 43 are the two numbers what we got as a mode of the given data. Therefore,
Yes.
mode of the given data is 38 and 43. And the last, yes, there are two modes of the given data. Two modes. બે mode પણ ચાલે અગર સરખા repeated numbers હોય તો. Now we have to find the middle observation, right? So how to find middle observation in this?
Sir,
Chalo, who will tell?
middle number.
Middle number means middle place value number. Understood? સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Ah,
So what is the middle place value over here? If I say there are 15 students, so 7 place will be from here and 7 place will be from here. So 40 is the median of the given data. Any doubt here, boys?
no.
Sure? Bacha party?
Yes, sir.
Pakku ne?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. We are going to solve from question number 4 in our next lecture. Okay? Up till question
Okay,
number
sir.
3, you should go with all the sums one time in your rough book, and please prepare your fair book as regularly what we have to do. Is that all clear, boys? I don't want anybody to miss this, huh? We have completed up till exercise 3.2, question number 4. Sorry, question
Okay,
number
sir.
3. We have to start from question number 4 here. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Chalo, have a nice time. Do take care of yourself. Have a nice time, boys.